Right, so we just got back from the cattle market that you would have seen if you follow us on the Instagram, and we're currently just trying to attach the 2 rollers here, take it up to the field, maybe do the first headland and then park it there for the night. Then we can get on and start rolling tomorrow. Keep coming. Keep coming. Whoa. Forward a little bit. Bit more. Right, so we've just taken the pin out about there, so that we can get them so that they're not following behind each other. We filled them up with water so they're heavier. So we just go put the pin in and then it should be good. Here we got a couple of flints, and this is pretty much what we're doing. These flints have been dragged up by the sward lifter, and pretty much the rollers, which we filled with water, have gone through and pressed them back in the ground, so we don't catch it with the topper. So pretty much we're in about a 10-acre grass paddock at the minute, running at about 7k, so not too quick, just because we've got a lot of weight in the rollers because we filled them up with water. We want to allow them time to press in the ground, so you don't want to be running too quickly. We've got probably about 80 acres which needs rolling. Half of that's been sward lifted, so it's really important that we get them rolled whilst these conditions are perfect. Basically, these lines here, the little small lines, they're the sward lifting marks, which were from December. Then the lines going diagonally like that are from the chain harrows. Then these marks here, and where we're going this way with the sward lifting marks, they're the rolling marks. Right, so that is job done. So basically I had to undo this pin here so we could swing this, swing that from that side over to here into transport mode, and then I've managed to line this up. Now I've just got to go put the pin in. Right, so it's all lined up here, so it should just slot down. There we go. Right, we're good to go. Roller's ready to go into the next field. So this is our next field we're going into. It's about a 15-acre grass grazing paddock. And then this is the field from the last video where we put the new fence in all along that side. There's one of the posts there. Right, so let's get the gate unlocked. After a little bit of driving around and getting a bit frustrated, we've got it in line. Alright, pin in. Right, and we're set up, ready to hit this next field. This is probably one of my favourite fields on the farm. Just so scenic, to be honest. The headland started. We're going to go double headlands just because it's still quite early in the year and we don't want to be turning up the fields doing 2 headlands. We've got more room to turn around on the ends. So we're just about finishing the headland now. I've gone around 4 times, so probably about 20 metres or something like that, 20 metres headland. And it just means we've got more turning circles, so we're not cutting up the grass. Especially with these tractor tyres, you know, they're just digging the ground with the 4-wheel drive on. This is probably the most footpathed field in the planet. We're Kissing Gate here. We've got another Kissing Gate there, 2 over there, and then another Kissing Gate up there. We've done the headland and we've done the land work all the way across to about that Kissing Gate there. There's just a little bit left up in this corner here. Dad's going to take over now, and then I will be back out tomorrow to get some more of the farm done whilst this weather is absolutely perfect. Right, day 2 everybody. Early start this morning. Dad finished off the field which we were in over in that direction last night, and he brought the rollers out here. A little bit damp first thing today, but we'll crack on. Tractor warming up now. We'll get the pins out again and take this one out again, and then that one to swing it back into its working position. Right, so we're just out rolling in front of the farmhouse now, up there. It's going well. We got our stripes out here from where we went chain harrowing last week. Rollers are going nicely. It's a little bit sticky at the minute, can get clogged up, but it seems to be going nicely at the minute. It's the headland done. We're going to crack on with the land work now. I'll get the drone up and get this field done. Join me on the other side of the farm now. We're cracking on with the rolling. Me and Dad, we've been sort of taking it in turns and just getting as much done as we can possible. since I left you last, we've done 3 more fields now. This is the 3rd one. Once I finish this, we're about halfway through the rolling now. Right, so job done. Pretty much down there, you can just see there's like a little ledge which stops the mud spinning around and flicking off the roller, but it builds up when we're rolling the fields, especially this time of year where it's muddy. I'm going to leave the rollers here at the field for now. So pretty much I'm going to drop it down, unhitch it, and then head back to the farm. That's going to be the end of this week's video. Got a lot of rolling done in the last couple of days. Like I said, we're going to leave the rollers at the top of this field because the village is quite busy at the minute with lots of cars everywhere and we don't want to damage anything. I'm going to leave them up here and then move them into the next part of the farm when we need them. We've got about half the farm rolled now. Everything that was sward lifted in the winter or fields which we want to turn cows into pretty soon have all been rolled now. The only part of the farm which hasn't been rolled is the fields which we want to silage or make hay off of. Got a football pitch pretty close to this field actually, which we need to roll, so that'll probably be one of the next fields we get into. It's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Home Farm Agri. The link will be in the description below. Anything and everything farming and everything we get up to on our farm, we'll show you. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and make sure to be back here for next Wednesday when we'll have a brand new video. So